Hello YouTube, Chachi is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix Run as Administrator not working in Windows. So when you try to open files on your Windows 10, Windows 11 or other Windows operating system, the Run as Administrator will not work or will not respond. So in this video we are going to see 6 solutions to solve this problem. Now let's start from solution number 1. So solution number 1 will be, which is user account control, opening the user account control. So click on the search icon here and type here under the search user account control. So here the user account control, then open the user account control. After you open the user account control setting, you will find the privilege of the administrator. In my case, it's always notify me. So application try to install software and make change to my computer, so it will notify me. So it should have to get the administrator privilege. So make it lower. In your case, if it's not working in this phase, then make it lower. But this have an impact. It will lower the administrator privilege. So notify me when application try to make changes to my computer, which are default. So click OK and restart your computer. As you are saying here, the setting will take effect after you have clicked OK and restarted your PC. So after that, then if the administrator privilege is not working, again make it lower and click OK and restart your PC. Even if the administrator is not working for you, then again click the final, which is never notify me, and click OK and restart your computer. And I hope this user control setting will solve the administrator not working problem. So if the administrator not working problem is not solved, then the second solution would be, again click on your search icon here and type here NETPLWIZ. So you will find here the run command, which is this one. Then open it. Then after you open it, you will find here the user accounts. So in my case, it's the administrator, Chachi, the administrator of this PC. So I'm going to select here properties. If you have other usernames that you want to get an administrator, select that. In my case, I only have one account, so I'm going to click properties. Then after that, click here group membership. Then you will find here lists of account privilege, standard user, other, or administrator. So select here administrator and select apply and select here OK. In my case it's not active, but in your case it will be active. Select apply, then select OK. Then here it will say you have made change to your user account. You must sign out and sign in back to make changes. So select here yes and sign out to your account and sign in back. After that, check whether the run as administrator problem is solved or not. And if the problem is still occurring, then perform a clean boot activity on your computer. So to perform the clean boot, again click here the search icon and type here system configuration. Then here the system configuration, then open the system configuration. Then after that, click on here services. And after you click services, then select here hide all Microsoft service. Click on hide all Microsoft service. And here you will find, in my case, all the other services are disabled. So that's why it's grayed out. But in your case, it will be active. So select disable all and select apply, then select OK. Then it will ask you to restart your computer, then restart your computer and check the run as administrator is working or not. Solution is disabling the antivirus. Sometimes some antiviruses may cause such kind of problem. So if you have third-party antivirus software, then disable it and check it, or else you can disable your Windows security by typing here the built-in Windows security, here the Windows security, open the Windows security. Then after that, open virus and threat protection and open it. Then open here virus and threat protection settings, which is manage the settings, and here you will find different protections. So real-time protection, cloud, automatic sample submission, and tamper protections. Then turn off each of them and check the run as administrator is working or not. Then after that, turn on back this protections after you check the run as administrator problem. So if disabling antivirus is not a solution, then solution number 5 will be creating a new user account. So maybe the user account, if this user account is not working for you, create another user account. So click on the search icon and type here settings and open the settings. And after you open the settings, you will have accounts. Then select accounts, and after you select the accounts, you will have here family and other option. Then select it. Then after that, here other user, add other user option. So select add account. So if you have a Microsoft email address, then use the email address. But if you don't have, select I don't have. Then again, if you created an account, you can insert here, and if you don't have, again you can select add a user without a Microsoft account. Then after that, it will ask you to create the account. So who is using this PC? Let's make it Chachi Tech 2. Then enter password. Then we are going to insert password and then select next. Then after that, as you can see here, Chachi Tech 2 is created as a local account. So I'm going to click here the arrow and account options here. So I'm going to change the account type, and it says here account type standard user. So I'm going to make it administrator and select here OK. Then log in with this account, which is restart your computer or sign out this account, then sign in with the new user account that you created. Then check whether the run as administrator problem is solved or not. So if this solution is not working for you, then the final solution for this problem is running a SFC Scan, which is scan your computer. So to run the SFC Scan now, then click here the search icon and type here CMD, which is the command prompt. Then type here SFC Scan now. This SFC Scan now. You'll type SFC Scan now, then press enter. So it will start scanning your computer. So it may take some time. Wait patiently until the process would be completed. Okay, here the SFC Scan now completed, and the Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. So close the CMD and restart your computer. So after the restart, check whether the run as administrator problem is solved or not. So this is all about on how you can solve the problem related with run as administrator not working in Windows. And I hope this video helped you, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Give me comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Chachi Tech out.